Hello, gorgeous. Woo! It's been a crazy couple of weeks. I've got March Premium BoxyCharm box today. I'm doing this and a bunch of other videos. So if you want to see what I got, then stay tuned. Okay, you're going to hear this a few times. I've been through it these last few weeks. I've been so sick. I'm backed up. I'm doing unboxings like all day today. So, BoxyCharm Premium for March. So excited. This is my birthday month, and I'm always excited for my subscription box for my birthday month. Let's dive in. Okay, so what we have at the top here is the, I just saw the price. Oh my Lanta. Kyparis Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer and Shimmer Palette Set. $145. I mean, they just, what? Ooh, okay. So this is it. This is the packaging. The Kyparis. Now, I do have a Kyparis serum that I got in BoxyCharm. It was like a face serum, and I love that stuff. Every time they, like, if they add it on to their add-ons or pop-ups or whatever, I buy a bottle of it because I freaking love that stuff. It makes my skin feel so amazing. So this is supposed to be an eye primer and serum. So are you supposed to put it on your eyelid? Because most eye creams, you dab underneath and like up around a little bit. Eye serum and primer. Ooh, I don't know. It's weird. That's weird to me. That concept is weird. Here's the bottle. Here's what she looks like. Cute packaging. I love Kyparis. I mean, yeah, it's got a squeezy thing at the top. Let's, ooh. Oh, okay, it's got a rubber stopper in there. I was having a hard time pulling it out. Probably should have, like, actually got some product in the squeezy tuber. This is, like, really thick, too. How is this going to be an eye primer? Okay, so there we go. We're going to drop some on there. And I'm making a mess with it. That's a lot. I put a lot on there. Ooh, yeah, that's way, look at that. That's like way too much. So, ooh, that does not smell good. It smells like chalk. Chalky clay. It smells like chalky clay. Ooh, I don't know if I'm going to be putting that on my eye. I love Kyparis, but I'm not sure about that. I need to read up on that before I go putting that on my eye. Ooh, that's bad. Okay, well, we have a little Kyparis palette. That's cute. Okay, alright. Some big, long eyeshadows. It looks like all shimmers. They're all shimmer shades. Let's swatch a couple here. They are very sheer. I'm trying to stay away from that area I put the... So there you go. They're very, very sheer. You're really not going to be able to see them on camera very well. But there they are. So the silver one I put at the top here. And then I have the darker bronzy one. That's it right here. That's the darker bronzy one. So they're really more like toppers. Not really, I wouldn't really consider this an eyeshadow palette. They're more like toppers. Which, okay, that's fine, no big deal, but yeah. You could also use some of these for highlights too, I think, especially this gold one. You guys can't see the gold one, but you could use these for highlighters too. That's probably what I will do, if we're being honest. So yeah, that was $145. I'm adding up as I go. I can't believe that. This smells so bad. And how is it a primer and a serum? Like, are you going to be able to put like an actual primer on top of it? Do you put it on your eyelid? Like, what is going on with this thing? I have so many questions. So many questions, Kipperus. All right. Too Faced. Oh, I think this was my choice item. Was this my choice item? I don't remember what choices were for March. So I got the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I'm super stoked to try this out. You guys, I've heard a lot of good things about it. And yeah, I love that BoxyCharm offers these really nice products. Because if I like it, I might buy it. But I don't want to pay, like, some of these products are like super expensive, like $145. I don't want to pay that much money for something if I'm not going to like it and not use it. You know what I mean? So this is what she looks like on the inside. And let's give her a little squirt. Oh, hey, whoop, I'm dropping stuff. So just a white cream. Ooh, oh, wow. Okay, a little goes a long way, guys. A little goes a long way. What's that? Coconut water. Yeah, I'm getting coconut and a fruity something. I don't know. I'm excited to try it. So that is $35, and that's another reason why. Like, I don't want to pay $35 for a primer and not like it. You know what I mean? So next up we have Rowan Beauty Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm. Kiss My Liquid Lip. Ooh, that looks dark. Ooh, that looks lighter on camera than it does in. Liquid Lip Balm. A non-sticky alternative to classic lip gloss. Okay, so it's like a lip gloss. This liquid lip balm soothes the lips as it nourishes, regenerates, and repairs. Formulated with mango and grapeseed oils to hydrate and protect. It provides the high shine of a gloss with the nourishment of a balm. Okay, cool. All right, I like that. But this color though, I'm not really feeling that color. I like the doe foot. I like those weird ones like that have the hole in the middle of them. And they're bent. I don't know. I feel like I get my lip better with them. Ooh, it smells like mint. It's minty. So let's give it a little spotty spot. There she is up there. Not too bad. That's not too bad. I thought it was going to be darker than that. That's not too bad. Okay. And that retails for $26 for a lip balm. I guess if it's a lip gloss too, though. You know what I mean? Next up, we have Beauty Diva London Diva Eye Brush Set. Ooh, I got an eye brush set. Ooh. So this is the box. Oh, that came out. Oh, they're just, okay. So they're going to be individual in here. Oh, wow. Okay. Those are some bright orange brushes. Look at these things. Why does that one look all jacked up? I think it's just pressed up against the top. So yeah, it looks like you had a decent amount of brushes. Blender brush, shading brush. Yeah. All right. And these retail for $48. I guess we better feel them and see what they feel like. I don't like brushes and skincare and stuff like that always amazes me, like how expensive this stuff is. I don't think I would ever pay $48 for these brushes, if I'm being honest with you. Ooh, wow, though, they're super soft. Like super, super soft. All right. Okay, well, we'll give them a shot and see how they work. I mean, that's all we can do. So we need $48 for the brushes. And then our next item is IGK Prenup Instant Hair Spray Hair Mask. Okay, you guys, I'm in love with IGK hair products. They're awesome. I have really fine, dry, brittle hair. And I really love their products. So this is a hair mask that you spray on. Cool. I'm going to try that out. So it says this high-powered in shower. Oh, I hate those ones because I always forget to use them. Like, I'm in the shower. I'm in a rush. I'm not trying to, you know, find 50 different hair masks and stuff. Whatever. In shower treatment performs like a traditional hair mask, but works in under a minute. Okay, well, that's good because I'm always in a rush. A multitasking mix of moisturizers, including alma oil and whatever, butter. Deep condition, repair, and strengthen hair, while apple cider vinegar adds dramatic shine. I guess we'll have to try this out. I'm not a big fan of using stuff in the shower. I like my shampoo, conditioner, and get out. But I'll give it a try. I'll try to give it a try. That's the problem. I'll probably forget about it, unfortunately. That's $32. That's the other thing. IGK products are so expensive. And then I have the Dose of Colors Block Party Single Eyeshadow. Ooh, okay. What shade did we get? Reflection. Oh, that's cute packaging. I like that. And this is the color. So this is Reflection. You can see the sparklies. Let's swatch it. So there we go. That's Reflections. Cool. All right. So that was $20. That's kind of high for a single eyeshadow. I don't know. I'm so cheap. Hey, whoa. Okay. Well, I mean, from this, I already knew it was going to be an expensive box. It's $306 is my value for my BoxyCharm box this month. And this was the premium box. So this one is $35 a month. And you get to pick one item in your box. Did we get to pick one or two? I don't remember. I think they're changing things up now. You're going to get to pick 2 items from your premium box or something. I feel like that happened recently. So great value. I mean, I paid $35 for the box. I got $306 worth of value. Not sure about this stuff though, and that was the bulk of the value. And like I said, these are going to be either highlighters or eyeshadow toppers because, you know, they're so, you can't, they're literally highlighters, you guys, like really, literally. Yeah, overall though, I'm pretty happy with the box. I have really been wanting to try this. This was my choice item. I remember it now. And I love IGK. I love IGK hair products. But my problem with this one is, am I going to use it in the shower? I hope so, because, you know, I want to try it, but odds are I'm going to forget. The brushes are cute. Not really my style. I don't go for neon orange brushes. I'm pretty basic or simple when it comes to my brushes. And then this I might use, I might not use. I don't know. I have a hard time reaching for single eyeshadows. I tend to grab my palettes more. I forget they're there. That's my problem. I forget things. So all in all, it was a good box. The value was there for sure, but you know, some of the items I'm kind of like, you know, let me know what you think. Did you get the same kind of items? Did you get something better? What'd you get? What did you like? What do you want? Let me know. If you're not subscribed, it's one of those days, guys, I'm telling you. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please, it would mean the world to me if you subscribed and hit the notification bells. Give my video a thumbs up. Let me know if you like my content. And as always, I hope you have a fabulous, fabulous day. And remember, keep sparkling.